by Andrew Goudsward Washington. A Colorado judge allowed Donald Trump to remain in vote in state elections next year, but he attacked U.S. Capitol and into uprising. Judge Sarah Wallace's decision appeal to appeal a group Colorado voters' uprising federal office. Rods rarely refused disqualify Trump within scope a change. The judge found that Trump is not an officer of the U.S. that can be disqualified within the scope of Trump's change. A Trump spokesman on day. The decision non-American voting compass challenges in coffin another nail, he said. Stephen Cheung said in a statement, American voters, the right to vote for their chosen candidate, President Donald J. Trump leads to great numbers, he said. Nevertheless, the judge concluded that Trump was a real reason for his behavior and words, and that there was a significant contribution to the attack on Capitol. The Colorado case, which brought by group of voters supported by the Wathdog organization in Washington, was the first person to be tried and seen as a test case for wider disqualification effort. Mürettebat President Noah BookBinder. The group will object to the decision, he said. The court's decision confirms what our customers claim. In this case, Donald Trump is dealing with an uprising based on the role of January 6, he said. For voters, lawyers argued that after Trump's defeat in 2020 presidential elections, he called on his supporters a rally in Washington and then called on Congress to walk U.S. Capitol, where Congress gathered. Thousands of Trump supporters then pressed Capitol, attacked police and sent to the deputies working for their lives with an unsuccessful offer to stop. Certificate. Trump's lawyers claimed that former president had no relationship with extreme right-wing groups who played an important role in attack, and that his words before rebellion were protected by right to speak. The decision only applies to the primary and general elections of the Republican presidency in Colorado. The state has been safely rated by nonpartisan political forecasts for the general election. The courts in Minnesota and Michigan rejected their efforts to keep him away from the Republican primary vote, but did not decide to comply with the November 2024 general elections. The Colorado decision can be appealed to the state Supreme Court and the U.S. Supreme Court, which includes 3 Trump appointments of 63 conservatives.